So hello guys and welcome to the fresh episode of Tech Jukes. In today's episode, I'm going to talk about these Realme Wireless Earbuds. So these are my favorite earbuds. I won't say this is the best earbuds at this price range. Probably it is, but this is definitely my favorite earbuds at this price point. And I'll tell you why this is my favorite earbuds, and I'll tell you all the best things about this wireless earbuds and what I did not like about these earbuds. So if you're interested in this topic and you're looking to buy a new wireless earbuds under a price range of probably 1600-1800 rupees, so you can definitely watch this video till the end. I'm Man with Mask and you're watching Tech Jukes. Let's get started. Okay, before I talk about the specifications and features of this earbuds, let's just look into the unboxing experience quickly. So as you can see, the box that we get for this neckband is quite clean and simple box. So let's just quickly open the box, and definitely we can see inside the box, and definitely we can see the earbuds as neckband. And then we have some documentation, then we have the charging cable, and we get few extra ear tips in case we need to change them. So my first impression on these neckbands or earbuds is that this is very comfortable and soft. So it feels very soft in hand. It is completely made up of plastic. If we talk about the neckband, it is completely made up of plastic. It is soft plastic and it is very flexible. It is so flexible that you can keep it within your wrist and you can keep this anywhere within your back. It won't take much space since it is very much flexible. It can be molded in any shape. And the earplugs are made up of metal and they have soft cushioning on the ear tips. So that's quite good thing. So my overall experience on the first impression is that it feels very premium, very soft and very comfortable as well. Apart from being very soft, this is also very lightweight. It does not feel very heavy. So definitely I will be able to wear this for a long time. So let me also tell you, I've been using these earbuds for more than a month now, and I thought I should at least use them for a month so that I can share my honest review of these neckbands. So the cable that we get with this neckband is not Type-C, it is micro USB cable, but that's not a huge disappointment because at this price range, hardly anybody is giving Type-C cable. But it would have been a nice thing because all of my gadgets in my house are Type-C now. Talking about what we get on the right side, we get plus and minus button for volume. Then we get that button with R. That you can probably use to wake up the Google Assistant, and then we have LED light which indicates whether the device is being charged or about the battery backup. It turns red when it is charging and it turns blue when it is completely charged. And then yes, on the right side we have the charging port, and that's it about the right side, nothing much. And talking about the left side, I can see there's only Realme branding and nothing more than that. So the left side is completely clean. Now talking about the earbuds itself, it comes with the Realme logo. It says R. Initially I thought it's for right side, but it's not for right side actually. It's Realme branding and it has that black and yellow accent. The color which I'm using right now, they call it black color. So they do not have a complete black color variant available for this product. When you order a black product, you get this combination of yellow and black. I wish they would have a complete black edition. Definitely I would have bought that one, but this also looks very fresh and nice. The cable itself is looking of a good quality. I won't say that it is not durable. It looks durable and that will last for a long time. So the Realme brand claims that this is sweat proof, which means if you use this during your workouts, it won't be an issue. So that's a good thing about these one. And talking about the sound quality, this comes with 11.2 mm drivers and the sound quality is very good. I've been using this for 1 month and I did not face any issue. So do not expect much at this price range. Everything is just above average but not the best. Right now the price for this earbuds is 1600 rupees on Amazon. And I bought this from Myntra and I grabbed this for only 1250 rupees. So there was an offer for this particular product only, so I bought it from Myntra. So if you want to know more about such offers and want to stay updated about these offers, so you can just also subscribe to my Telegram channel. I'll mention the link in the description box below. Now yes, coming back to the sound quality of these earbuds, if you talk about the bass is good. I would say for this price range, the bass is good. I was not expecting this much of bass at this price range. The loudness is very good. Even if you hear this at 80% of the volume only, that would be good enough. 100% would be an overkill. And talking about the mids and highs, I would say mids is just okay. It's just above average. It's well balanced. Highs is also kind of well balanced. I'm not an audiophile, but yeah, it sounds fine. Bass is fine, mids, lows, and highs are just okayish. So it is loud, the bass is fine, the tones are balanced. You will be able to hear the vocals clearly. So things are just above average with this one, not the best. But yeah, that's what you expect at this price range. And if I talk about the competitors, if I talk about, let's say, Mi neckband, it's definitely better than the Mi neckband in terms of sound quality. And talking about the passive noise cancellation, it does provide some amount of noise cancellation. Just because of the lockdown and COVID situation, I did not go out and test this in outside condition. But within the house, there was no noise I was able to hear. The third party was able to hear my voice completely fine. The mic works fine. There was no issue with the mic as well. So yeah, during the call, that works very fine. Now talking about the gaming experience, yes, this is not very good for gaming. This does come up with some level of lag. I would say there is a lag of half a second while using this with games or watching movies on YouTube, Netflix or whatever. There is lag of half a second definitely. But let me tell you, I did not buy this just because of the sound quality. I bought this only because of one main reason, and that's the only reason why I bought this one. Otherwise, Boat also manufactures good neckbands, but the only feature because of which I had to buy this particular product only is magnetic fast pair. So let me tell you about the magnetic fast pair. Magnetic fast pair is a technology in which if you just separate these two magnetic tips, it turns on, and when you again switch it back like this and combine these two magnetic tips, it turns off. That's it. There is no switch on, switch off button. That's the beauty of this particular product, because of which I have ordered this one, and this works absolutely the way I thought it should work. So the benefit of magnetic fast pair is this: if I'm receiving a call on my phone and I separate these two ear tips and just put this in my hair, it will pick the call and it's on. And if I just put it back like this, the call gets disconnected and it's off. Beauty. It turns off as soon as you just put it back like this, it turns off. So this fast pair feature is not very common in most of the products. Hence Realme has included that documentation in which they have mentioned all the combination of buttons and how to pair this one. Once it is paired to one device, it is not going to pair to another device. This does not support connecting two devices at one time. So yeah, that's one of the con. So if it is connected to your phone and you just separate these magnetic tips, it will be connected to your device in less than 5 seconds only. As soon as you join these magnets again, it will be turned off, and it will be disconnected, and it will pause your music as well. So just because of Bluetooth 5.0, the connectivity was very good. I was using this while I was on calls and listening to music, and it did not get disconnected, or there was no drops in calls, or you can say listening to music when phone was in one room and I was in second room. So yeah, it has no connectivity issues because of Bluetooth 5.0. It has good range. I tried this with my laptop as well for Zoom meetings. It worked really well. I tried this with iPhone as well. It worked fine. So yes, it does support iOS as well if you want to connect it to your iPad, or you can say Apple phones. Now let's coming to the battery point. The battery backup is good. I was able to get around 8 to 10 hours of battery backup because the magnetic fast pair feature also saves your battery. So let's say even if you get the same capacity of battery on both neckbands, it won't last same because they don't have that automatic turn off or turn on feature. It saves battery when I just put these magnetic tips together. It turns off and it saves the battery. That's the beauty of this product. So because of which I was able to get more than 10 hours, but the standard, I would say standard battery backup with 80% of volume is around 8 hours probably. And if you hear at 60%, 70%, it should last for about 10 hours. The Realme claims that you will be able to use this for 12 hours if you hear it at 50% volume. I'm not going to hear this at 50% volume. It's too less. So for the average person, the battery capacity is 8 hours. The charging time, I would say it has charging time of about 1.5 hours to 2 hours. But the company claims they have fast charging as well, in which if you charge this for 10 minutes, it will last for 100 minutes. I did not try because whenever I charge it completely. So yeah, that does take 1.5 hours to 2 hours. But yeah, the battery backup is good, so that's not an issue. The other brands are not offering that good capacity of battery. for most of the brand, for not all the brands. So talking about my final verdict, I will highly recommend this one because of the soft and flexible plastic body it has, and the magnetic fast pair technology, of course. If your priority is making receiving calls, listening to music or watching movies, then definitely you can go with this one. If you want to buy this one, I have mentioned the link in the description box below. Just check it out. If you like this video, just give me a thumbs up, and you can subscribe to my channel so that you do not miss out on any video that I post in future. Share it with your friends and family so that they can also get to know about this amazing product. I'm signing off till then. Stay safe. Take care.